everybody.
Hey, everybody.
I put on my best socks so I can be comfortable while talking to y'all. I'm sitting here, guys. Today, what I've decided what we're going to do here, my wife is constantly staring at it and always in the kitchen. If not for me, it's for that other dude. But nevertheless, this is what I decided. I decided that I'm going to take on the task today of cooking. So what I'm going to make is my wife a sandwich. Now, anytime I make my wife a sandwich, it's a little different from any other sandwich. It's called a Robio. Where if you know about Romeo, what he did is he was a great lover. So all my love goes in this sandwich for my wife. This is a Robio. And what we're doing, guys, I'm doing her BLT Robio. Now, the first encounter I had with a BLT was years and years ago. My great aunt sent me to McDonald's, and she said, get her a BLT. And I went and made that. I made that order, and the lady at the counter laughed because she never heard tell of a BLT, and kind of made the scene. But nevertheless, what we did is they said they didn't serve that, so. You know, later on they have come to serve it. But what I'm doing, guys, is I'm making my wife a BLT. So I want you guys to go with me on this. And I
took the bacon out.
She just took the bacon out, and it has the aroma of bacon, which is good. And so what I'm doing now is getting, guys, this is the lettuce. Everyone knows a BLT is a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna dress it up a little bit. We got the, guys, you can't get the skimpy bacon. You gotta get the bacon with a purpose. I mean, that bacon is thick enough to, you know, that peanut butter that you got when you was little from the government, if you got it. I knew people that got that peanut butter. But nevertheless, you need the thick bacon. The bacon that really has a crunch to it. And so, what I'm going to do with me, many BLTs, you can have your bread. You can take your bread and have your bread, just taking the bread out of the pack and going from there. But guys, if you're going to make a good sandwich, you're going to need good items. Get the good bread. We have the British bread, guys.
Wait a minute.
Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I was talking about, this is the bacon. We use the Black Label original thick cut bacon.
And this right here, guys, is the sliced brioche bread. This is the good stuff.
We didn't use that growing up. We use regular light bread.
Well, we ain't growing up no more. We here. So my thing is, we're going to use the good bread. And so just instead of just taking it out of the pack and using the bread, guys, what I want to do is I want to toast it. Now, I'm going to be making 3 of these sandwiches. One for me, one for my lovely wife, and one for that dude. So what we want to do is to see which way we're going to go with that. So we're going to take a step at a time, and we're going to get this stuff together, guys, so you guys will be able to see which route we're going to go. I'm going to hopefully make this so delicious that you find yourself in a state of saying, man, I got to have one of those, and make you one today. So again, it's about the quality of the product which you use. Good British bread, thick bacon. Get yourself a crisp tomato. These type things will see to it that you have a awesome sandwich.
And you cooks out there, you know what I'm doing. I'm saving this bacon grease.
Save your bacon grease, guys. We do not waste anything. Save the bacon grease.
I've already washed off that tomato.
So she has washed off the tomato. I'm taking out the lettuce now. And one thing you need to do, guys, this is very important. Again, don't cheat yourself on your product that you use. Get the crisp lettuce. I mean, when you bite into it, it almost crunch. So I'm taking out my lettuce and I'm washing it, if you will, to make sure that we have the product here. Just make sure it feels good, guys. So that's what we have. We have our lettuce ready. Now we have our bread is not quite ready yet because we have not put it in.
You want me to toast it?
You go ahead, toast the bread. My assistant, which is my wife, is going to help me today.
You're supposed to be fixing me a sandwich.
Well, you're helping me fix you a sandwich because all my love is going in that sandwich. Now,
you guys, when I toast the bread, I like to lay it directly on. I like to lay it directly on the rack in the oven.
Now, some people when they toast bread, they toast one side and then the other side they leave white. But me, I like my bread toasted on both sides, but not too. You know, you don't want to toast it too much. You don't want it burnt. Just bear with us, man. Just bear with us. We're trying to get you a sandwich made. Man, this dude has been eating every minute. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. So I'm slicing my tomato here. Get myself a tomato slice. I don't want it to be too thin, but I don't want it to be too thick either. So some items that you're gonna need when making this, of course, tomatoes, lettuce, bacon, bread, mayonnaise. Definitely gonna need some mayonnaise, and pepper and salt. Guys, again, don't cheat yourself on. Man, here we go again, man. Can I help you?
On YouTube.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, don't cheat yourself, even on your pepper.
When is it gonna be ready?
This will be ready in a few minutes, man. Just bear with me, man. Just bear with me. If you will, pepper. What's the pepper that you use, baby?
Peppercorn?
Peppercorn. Yeah, she just don't, she get the peppercorn pepper. Again, you want to use.
I'm behind you guys. You're good bread.
You want to make sure you use your favorite. Use the good items or products, and you'll find out that this thing will work just well for you. Just well. And again, I'm going to slice a few more of these tomatoes. I don't like this knife. I like my other knife, the long one.
Try this one.
I don't want that one. I like the other one. My go-to knife. That's my go-to knife. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I just like it. It has this thing here means business. He's not playing around. This knife right here will shave the hair off of necks, but so what we're gonna do.
I'm behind you, baby.
Gotcha. And so, guys, we're quickly coming in. Look at that there. That's a good looking tomato cut there. And of course, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep.
What's the name of this?
This is a BLT.
This is just a rabio, you know that, right?
Yeah, it's a rabio, but everybody can't get a rabio. To them, it's a BLT. A rabio can only be for mama. It can only be for mama. So that's what we got there, guys. So what we're gonna do, we got the lettuce here, we got the tomato here, and we have the bread. Now, let me get, I'm gonna fix this and put this on a couple of plates here for. And now, I'm not gonna be fancy and get the best plates because, well,
Yeah, we do.
that's not what we do. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put 3 different plates now. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my toast. Get my toast. This is very important. And I'll set them over here as I go along with it. But get my toast. Dude, number 2, could you get me a butter knife, please? Please. Please, we're moving at a rate here of time, son. I need you. Bear with you, Daddy. There we go. So, guys, what you want to do, this is important now. The route that you go here, you want to get your mayonnaise onto your bread. Now, you can go. Oh, is that what that's for? Again, that's fancy. Get your mayonnaise on. This is important. You want to get you some mayonnaise on there. And I'm saying now, I'm going with light mayonnaise, guys. Light mayonnaise. You can go with the regular, but hey, go from there. Light mayonnaise. You want to get this on. And I'm going to have my wife, of course, assist me here. You can put on the pepper and salt. It is very. I am going to fix this for you, but what I'm doing is I'm doing it in multiples. So what you can do is help me along. So you can put pepper and salt on that one, while I then work and make this one. Rotation. Same rotation, guys. Same thing. That was it. Fine. Pepper and salt. Okay, we're good here. We're good here. We're good here. Number 2. And guys, this again will be a quick but delicious meal. It can be. And due to the fact we're eating at, this is not breakfast and this is not lunch. What was this be? Dinner we
This
had
is
to?
actually after you've put my lights up, we're fixing a sandwich.
Yeah. So I put our lights up and now we're fixing a sandwich. Last thing here, we're gonna get this done. So.
I was gonna say, do you need cheese? But no, you don't do cheese.
No, you don't
on
do
the
cheese.
BLT.
No, we don't put the cheese on. Guys, no cheese on a BLT, please. And
Unless they want some cheese.
well, if you want cheese, I mean, check your cholesterol, people. Stay with me. Stay with me. Okay, so with that said and done, those things we have had ready. You see, we have the bread that is toasted. We have the mayonnaise that's put on the bread. We have pepper and salt there. And now we're going to go with putting on, let's get your tomatoes on here. Try to get you 2 tomatoes. At least 2 tomatoes.
Move the cutting board since you're done with it.
Okay. Let's shift this out the way. Let me shift the cutting board out the way. Good.
That works.
Yeah, that works.
Put your lettuce away.
That's the excess lettuce. So guys, what I'm trying to do is go with at least 2 tomatoes per sandwich. So you see that? That looks good. This look good right here, guys. Perfect. Now lettuce, we're gonna get some lettuce here.
Oh. I'm putting the lettuce
You're
up.
putting the lettuce up. Okay, so guys, remember what I told you with the lettuce? What you want to do is go down in there. You know how you get your lettuce and it seems like the top layer seems to be kind of flimsy? You want that crunch, guys, so you have to go down in there and get it. You know, it's hidden down at the bottom. So you want to get your lettuce and you'll be able to see it, and you can see it. Listen at this, guys. As you hear that crunch, that is something right there, guys. You can just, you know, want to go ahead and get yourself some lettuce on here. And I love that. That lets you know that's a sandwich right there, people. That's a sandwich. So, done with the mayo. Here you go. You can take the lettuce. We're done with that too. And so, guys, this is pretty much like, okay. So there you go.
And don't be skimpy with the lettuce.
Don't be skimpy with the lettuce. Greens are good for you. Greens are good for you. So, you see it, guys? That's pretty much it right there. Now, you're going to go with your bacon. Now, like I said, the good bacon, if you get the bacon that's cheap with a bunch of fat, that's all you're going to have is fat. But if you go along and get the bacon that really has meat to it, just go straight down the middle, break it in half. Therefore, you have 2. Break it in half.
Saying don't be skimpy with the bacon.
And there you go, guys. So that's just 2 pieces of bacon, but I have 4 thick slices on my sandwich. Same thing, go the same route. And so that's just 2 slices of bacon. 2 slices of bacon. Now, because this is the BLT I was talking, for the benefit of this, guys, I give my wife and son, they get an extra slice. So.
No, I don't need as much bacon.
Okay, you don't need as much bacon. She don't need as much bacon, but I do. So, me and that dude, we gonna eat the bacon. So, what I can do is, instead of, the slices on there, we'll give you an extra slice. Me get an extra slice. My wife, she's good where she is at. Okay, so there you are, guys. You have a, hold on, let me put this on. Let me. Would you look at that right there? Man, let me tell you 2 things. I am finna be as happy as a kid at a little kid at the swimming pool. Look at that right there. Now this is my wife's because it don't have as much bacon as that dude in mine. And there we go. Closing this out, guys. My wife put hers down. And there. Now we're going to cut them. We'll be able to cut them. So, I'm going to put these guys.
You want to cut them off?
Yeah, well, just cut yours.
No, you cut them off.
Okay.
What you do?
Where's my go-to knife?
Right here.
Oh, that's my go-to knife. So, I'm going to cut this at an angle. And you cut it in half or at an angle, whatsoever you choose, but this is what we're going to do. Look at that right there, boy, that is. I'm telling you guys something. There you go. And if you're going to get some chips, my wife can get some chips with hers, and she used to count out like 6 or 7 chips for her. I don't know. But what we're going to do is, today, I'm going to give her,
Are you going to cut everybody's sandwich first, or you going to?
I'm not counting no chips.
I said you cut everybody's sandwich first.
Yeah. Okay. That's a little more than 6 chips, man. That's like 7 or 8 because they're small ones. So they make a, there you go, 9. That's yours. Okay. That's her plate. Now, mine, I don't need mine cut. So, man, so that's her. Here are my chips. This is my chips right here. And I'm gonna count mine 6 out.
Ooh, that's good.
That's about, yeah, that's 6 right there. That's 6 chips.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today.
All right, and there you go, guys. Here you go, dude. You hungry? Here go your sandwich, man.
Take the BLT, baby.
Thanks.
Oh,
Grateful little big-headed alien. And there you go, guys. A short meal that I made for my wife because I love her a whole lot. And remember, I put on my best socks so I can be comfortable.
Literally, I have a sandwich. You just named mom, so I'm just not important, huh? Dang,
Well-
I'm finna go off the college. I'm just not important.
Well,
That's fine. Don't worry
we're
about it.
practicing when you're gone.
No, don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm be okay.
thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining
how
us
I get
again
treated around
next
here?
time.
You see this? I got a sandwich.
That's
I'm actually
right.
looking forward to my sandwich.
There you go. I love you.
And I don't even get the credit to say that I've gotten a sandwich made for me. That's just crazy.
That's real good.
And I'm just you're not even paying me no attention.
I got
right
you.
now
I
either.
got you more bacon than mom.
Nah.
Okay, babe, let's do a
nah.
picture. A picture for a thumbnail.
A thumbnail. What's that?
We went through
We're
this
not
the
doing
last
that
video. We went through this the last video.
Okay.